10 Social Science History CBSE page number 62. First question today is why did MK Gandhi when and why did MK Gandhi withdraw non-cooperation movement? Answer is MK Gandhi withdraw non-cooperation movement in February 1922. He withdrew it because the incident of Chauri Chaura in which 22 policemen were burnt alive uh, turned the movement violent. Therefore, he withdrew. Next, why did some Congress leader want to participate in election to the provincial council? Some Congress leaders wanted to participate in the election to the provincial council because they were tired of mass movement. Second point, they wanted to oppose the government from within the council. They wanted to oppose the policies of the government from within the council. This is second number. The elected members could argue for reforms, and they could also demonstrate that the process of electing the members to the council were not truly democratic. Three reasons were there. Therefore, they wanted to participate in the election to the provincial council. Next question, who formed Swaraj Party? The Swaraj Party was formed by Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das. Next is the factors that shaped, which two factors shaped Indian politics toward the late 1920s. Then two factors, the effect of worldwide economic depression. This is one number factor, the effect of worldwide economic depression. And second number, the prices of the agricultural goods fall down. As a result, the demand for the agricultural products of India in international market also fell down. Therefore, the farmers did not have market to sell their produce, to sell their commodities, and to pay the revenue to the government. These two factors shaped Indian politics in 1920s. This is one question. Why was Simon Commission formed? When did it come to India? Simon Commission was formed to review the working of the Government of India Act 1919 and to suggest reforms. This is one reason. The Simon Commission came to India in 1928. Next, why did the people of India boycott Simon Commission? Two reasons may be cited. One reason, as per the Act of 1919, Government of India Act 1919, the Simon Commission should have been formed in 1929, after 10 years. After 10 years, 1919, 1929. But it was formed 2 years before its due time. First reason. Second reason, it was in the commission there were 5 members and no Indian members were included in it. So the Indian leadership thought it to be a national insult. Two reasons were there. Therefore, the people of India boycotted. Next one, how was Simon Commission greeted in India? Simon Commission was greeted with the slogan Simon Go Back in India. जब साइमन कमीशन आया तो साइमन गो बैक के नारे लगे, इस तरीके से उसका स्वागत हुआ. What did Lord Irwin do to win over the leaders who boycotted Simon Commission? साइमन कमीशन को सफल बनाने के लिए इरविन ने क्या किया? लॉर्ड इरविन that time was the Viceroy of India, and what did he do to win over the leaders who were boycotting Simon Commission? Then he did two things. Lord Irwin announced a vague offer of dominion status for India in an unspecified future. Then next is he also announced to hold round table conference to discuss the future constitution for India. He did two things to win over the leaders who were opposing Simon Commission. Then who presided over the Lahore session of Indian National Congress mentioned the declaration. Then Jawaharlal Nehru presided over the INC session of Lahore in 1929. Then the Indian National Congress declared to have nothing less than complete independence for India. Second, it also declared to celebrate 26 January 1930 as Independence Day all over the country. Then in this video, this much questions. In another video, some more questions we will have. Thank you.